Hello everyone, welcome back to Simply Christelle. I know I've been missing in action. I've missed you guys so much, but I'm so excited to bring you this super easy crochet passion twist. It's super cute, super lightweight, and so versatile. So let's get started. I'm starting off with freshly blow dried hair. Of course, I'm parting my hair into 4 sections because it's easier to manage. My hair is so thick and it's super easy for me to manage my hair into 4 sections. So for the braiding pattern today, I'm using 2 methods of the illusion crochet method. So method number 1 is the Feedin cornrow method. You start off by braiding individual braids, just like so. Yes, making sure that your parts are crisp. And then using the cornrow method, you're going to feed in those individual braids into your cornrow. I am not the best braider on the planet, but this method makes it easier for me to go ahead and do it myself, because usually I would go to my local beauty salon and get my hair braided because the struggle is real. Real. I went ahead and repeated the same method on the second part of the section, braiding individual braids and then feeding into a cornrow. Again, making sure that your parts are crisp. This will make it easier for you to flip your hair any way that you want, part it in half, flip it to the left or to the right. It gives you so much versatility. Now on to method number 2. So method number 2 is also a feeding method, but there's no cornrow to it. What you're doing here is braiding individual braids, and on the second braid after the first braid, you're feeding in the braid to the second braid. So it also creates an illusion of individual braids once you crochet the hair in. This is such an easy method, and whoever came up with it, I think her name is Mary Kay Bella. I don't know if she's the one who came up with it, but she's the first YouTuber that I saw doing it, and I decided to give it a try. And you continue feeding in your braids until you reach the middle half of your hair. And here is the final braiding pattern. As you can see, I left some of my edges out because I want to do some quote unquote baby hair at the end, so I didn't braid too tight in the front. So the back to me is not so important. The front is the most important part of this whole braiding pattern. So the back is struggle braid alert completely. So I didn't do any neat braids in the back because the back to me is not so important. I did 3 big braids going back and then crocheted the remaining part into my hair. So the hair we're using today is the 24 inches pre-looped crochet braid purchased from Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description down below. This hair is so beautiful, lightweight, didn't have any smell. Each pack comes with 10 in the pack, and the complete order comes with 7 packs of hair, I believe. Yes, so very lightweight, doesn't have any smell, and so it already comes pre-looped and you can easily crochet it into your hair. So we're starting off with the back. As you can see, it's struggle braid down there, so please don't mind the back. To me, it's not as important. So I'm going ahead and going under the braid and looping it into my hair. Super easy. Using the 2-finger method for space. That's how I'm spacing my crochet in the back, because you don't want your crochet to be super stacked in the back and then you don't have any hair for the front. So using the 2-finger method allows you to space your crochet pretty well and not have them be too bulky, because the bulkiness will make the hair heavy and the back does not need to be as full. And here we are in the front. I continue adding the crochet individually, and it's super easy going under. And here, as you can see, because we use the illusion method, the crochet looks like I have individual braids in my hair while I actually don't, and that makes it so versatile. I love it. So now onto some baby hairs. I am not the best at baby hairs, but we're trying over here, okay? Give me some credit. We're trying, and I'm doing my best at learning these methods, okay? And I'm gonna set my baby hairs with a scarf, a silk scarf, and overnight, really, so it could set and stay. And here is the final look, guys. OMG, when I tell you, I'm so happy that I decided to give these passion twists a try. Oh my god, super cute, super lightweight, and so versatile. Ooh, yes, honey. So as I mentioned before, these passion twists are 24 inches. They reach me waist length, and look at the beautiful color. Oh my gosh, I love these braids. You do get a little bit of tangling, but not that bad. As you can see, it reaches my butt area. Is the perfect length for a tall girl like me, and I love it. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys next time. Thank you so much. Bye.